Okay, week 2. Again, I'm using the freebies for week 2 and also possibly freebies from week 1 and ledger paper, botanical ledger paper for sure. There might be some other stuff in here. And what I did, I really kind of had fun with this one. I think I should have strengthened this a little more just for future reference. But I took the book, as you can see, I've decorated the front a little bit. And I just, I glued paper on the inside. And over here I have a belly band to hold the trifold tag book that I did earlier. And on this side I took some of the papers and tags in the kit and I made a waterfall flip and glued down in the wrong place, so now I have to fix it. But it works. So that's my second project.